In today's world, speaking on camera has become a necessity for most people, whether it's for creating online content, attending virtual meetings, or simply having video calls with family and friends. Although most laptops and phones have built-in cameras, in almost all cases those camera modules only provide decent video quality that is sufficient for everyday use. There are numerous options available on the market that can assist you with this matter, and EMEET has one that certainly takes the quality to a whole other level. This is the EMEET STREAMCAM 1. The STREAMCAM 1 is designed to deliver high quality video with features such as high resolution imaging, autofocus, and low light correction. These features make it easy to capture clear, sharp, and vibrant visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. Not everyone has the budget for a professional studio, but what's great about these cameras is that we can link up to 3 of them wirelessly and control them using designated software, either on our computer or our mobile phones. This allows us to use them on multiple platforms with ease, whether you're a content creator, podcaster, or much more. This camera is set to be a game changer on the market currently. And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. So unboxing the EMEET STREAMCAM 1, and it's clear to see that the manufacturer has taken extensive lengths to ensure that you get your money's worth. Not only do we get the camera itself in the box, but we get a carry pouch, a wireless microphone, a mic windscreen, a 1-meter Type-C to Type-C cable, a Type-C adapter, and your basic user manual. Now, upon closer inspection of the camera, it is evident that the build quality of the EMEET STREAMCAM 1 is exceptional. The camera's sleek and modern design, featuring a matte black body with a smooth glossy finish, gives it a discreet and professional look. The compact size and lightweight design also make it rather easy to carry around wherever you go, making it a great choice for content creators on the move. It is not only a great looking camera, but it also excels in its audio recording versatility. The device features 2 built-in microphones that enable you to capture decent quality audio without the use of anything else. However, to boost the audio quality furthermore, the camera comes with a wireless clip-on magnetic microphone that can attach to the main device. Integrated close to the top, we have our power on and off button. Sitting below that from the left to right, we have a micro SD card slot, external microphone port, followed by its designated power port. Now, the clip-on microphone serves as the 3rd dedicated sound source, enhancing the audio recording capabilities of the camera even further. The wireless clip-on microphone is easy to use, and you can attach it to your clothing or any other surface that you find convenient. So there is some versatility in how you capture audio, and we will talk about that a bit more later on. Now, this particular camera stands out for its wireless network feature that eliminates the need for messy cables. It allows users to capture high quality audio and video without any additional equipment. The camera comes with internal rechargeable batteries that can last for up to 8 hours on a single charge, making it easy to carry around. Not only does this make it a great choice for mobile videographers who need the freedom to shoot anywhere, but it means you can carry less with you, as there is everything you could possibly need right here. This basically is your cameraman. Thankfully, this is easy to set up and use. It comes with a fairly quick setup process. Now, the camera can be paired with multiple units via Bluetooth for enhanced streaming capabilities. So this means it will work with iOS, Android, and Windows devices and supports dual Wi-Fi connections. We just simply pair them up to our chosen device purely via the Bluetooth connection, and we are good to go. Most streaming platforms that support RTMP protocols such as YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook, as well as video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, are compatible with this guy. So let's first look at the smartphone companion app. As to be honest, in my opinion, this is going to be a game changer for those looking to capture content on the go without taking tons of equipment with them. The EMEET Stream app is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of streaming content across multiple platforms. With just one click, users can stream their content to up to 4 major live broadcasting platforms, making it easy to reach a broader audience, not to mention not have to do everything yourself. This means that users can go live live on YouTube, Facebook, and other platforms simultaneously. We can also add elements like images or titles into the feed from within the app. Now we need to do this before we go live, but it can be done. We can add maybe our streaming logo or text for the audience to look at, or if we're in a meeting we can add notes for other users to jot down. One of the most notable features of the app is its camera switching function. This feature allows users to switch between different angles seamlessly when 2 or 3 StreamCam 1 cameras are paired together via that Bluetooth connection. The app supports both manual and automatic switching modes, making it easy for users to customize their streaming experience. You are in control completely and without the hassle of confusing controls. You can get that professional streaming look simply from your phone. It's quite mad. Another impressive feature of the app is the screen zooming function, and although it is a digital zoom and with that comes some decreased image quality, this feature enables users to zoom in or out of the screen during a live stream, which can enhance the viewing experience of their content and help them adjust to different scene requirements. Now this feature can be controlled either manually or set to auto director mode, where the app will try to keep the zoom on the subject or multiple subjects in the frame. While the feature is not always perfect, it generally performs well and certainly is a welcomed add-on for those who haven't had the luxury of a feature like this with their setup before. Now the EMEET Stream app also comes with an AI directing and customizable editing features which allows users to perform these tasks right from the app. AI directing involves using artificial intelligence to analyze user-generated content and suggest the best editing options. The customizable editing feature, on the other hand, enables users to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other aspects of their videos to create a more polished final product. Now, thanks to their large Sony sensors in here and 1080p resolution, the camera can also support HDR video and capture still images. Now, it is a shame we don't get an optional 4K model, but most streaming platform and other needs see 1080p as more than acceptable. The image is good, but I do still highly recommend still investing or utilizing good lighting, as with poor, well, the image quality is quite noisy. And even with that noise reduction, well, it's still not great. Now, as mentioned, the camera comes equipped with 2 built-in microphones that are positioned to capture your voice in clear and crisp quality. These microphones are strategically placed to ensure that they capture everything you say with a high level of accuracy. Take a listen to the onboard sound. So as you can hear, this is the quality of the onboard microphones that are actually within the cameras themselves. And it's okay, I mean it's not great, but it is what you'd expect. However, if you truly want to take your production value up even more, then, well, the microphones are a great choice. The audio quality from these are pretty impressive. You can put them anywhere. This magnetic clip-on microphone is also incredibly reliable and can stay connected to the camera up to 10 meters away. However you use this, be it your phone or utilizing the dedicated software on a computer, the interface and portability is very similar. Getting more than one camera just takes your video content and production quality to a whole other level. What's also great is there is various storage options, such as a micro SD card slot, which makes the system suitable for recording and offline editing. We can set this to record what we need and then go ahead and remove the SD card and edit the content in our own time. So if you aren't planning on using this for streaming, it can still be used for content creation. You can set these things up anywhere, either on a tripod or simply prop them up, and then in turn get this multiple camera look without the need of any camera guy. With its auto zooming and auto focusing, you can set them up and let them do the job for you. You can have one camera in the front and then have 2 of these either side for this multiple camera look on the cheap. All in all, the EMEET STREAMCAM 1 is an exceptional portable option that proves that high quality video and audio for live streams and creating content can be collected without the need of expensive and heavy equipment. They truly are an all-in-one system that simplifies the whole process of online streaming and content creation. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.